Landyne software suite is a set of practical tools for various aspects of TM work. The current release version 6, including 16 applications, all compiled use the latest version of OpenJDK. We have created a series of videos for each software application, including one for the launcher. In this video, we'll introduce CRYSP construction and visualize of crystal shape in natural habit and on planar substrates. Here is the launcher. Just click CRYSP to start. If you don't have a license dialog will pop out. But don't worry, you can still use the demo mode. It's fully functional, but it's limited to a demo structure. That's perfect for testing things out or just get a feel how it works. To create a new structure file, you can either start with a template or modify an existing file. The lattice parameter and the space group, or more precisely the point group, we'll use later in the CRYSP. This tool applies the Blavi-Federal-Donner-Parker theory, or BFDH for short, which explains which crystal plane have a biggest impact on the crystal shape. It is a good idea to read up the BFDH theory before you use the tool, just so you can understand how it works. First, we selected demo or load structure here. Surface of the crystal shape is determined by the input parameter, the plane HKL, and the plane spacing. All the parameters use the BFDH tool, and you can fill it here. Here is the X factor will enlarge the spacing for all parameters you input in. This is all symmetry equivalent parameters. If you want to see the interface, you can select the plane and increase here. And now you can see the shape. That's for cubic 112 family, the shape. You can view and customize the crystal shape. Use crystal shape dialog. At the top, it shows how many vertex, edge, and face the shape has. And I also check the formula. Here is true. You can also change the color of the edge or the face from here. You can choose show the interface only or upper part, low part. In this case, we didn't have an interface there. Then you have the option to set the orientation and zoom the shape. Or you can choose this one to enlarge or small. The lower part is all the option to show the quantitativity of the length, area, volume, and the index, and the file names. You can save more complicated shape and come back to them later. Just make sure the shape file match with the crystal structure you used. You can get a start or want a quick look. Here is the ready-to-go example for you to look at. Now let's explore the non-crystallography icosahedral point group. All of the lattice state for icosahedral is use a cubic. You can change it here, but it's not affected to the shape. So let's try to 110. Here is icosahedral, use a 110 index. Five-fold symmetry, three-fold symmetry, and two-fold symmetry. You can resize the main window to fit your monitor. You need save and done. Here is the region of interest. You can change the size here and also point per inch for TIFF image. Once you define the region of interest, you can output the image from here. You can save to TIFF, JPEG, PNG, and GIF. Here is you can get the serial number. We use this number to provide the license. And you can check the version number here. And here you can check the update or new software in the Landyne website. We also have a gallery for the crystal shape. All this are created use this CRYSP software. Here is the Landyne website and contact information. Annually license price of CRYSP is $30. For new users, first month's license of all package is also $30.